DLRs, hey, what's going on? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We are referencing our Chrysler Pacifica, and in the event that your Bluetooth is not pairing with any of your devices or basically just not working, we're going to talk about that in this video. Let's take a look. DLRs, we've made our way outside. In front of us is our 2018 Chrysler Pacifica, and we're going to hop inside the vehicle, open up the hood to the engine compartment, gain access to the fuse box, and pull a fuse. Coming inside the driver's seat and down to open up the hood. No need to rush that or be aggressive with it. You don't want to damage that or break it. We're now out front with the hood open, and we've got access to the entire engine compartment, and to the right portion or driver's portion of the engine is our large fuse box. And we've got these two little push tabs, push and pull up, and basically position the box that matches the internal fuses. And we've got two hardware locations, a bolt and a nut and stud, and that is right there. And we are going to continue on. We've got the larger one right here. And what we need to do is make our way all the way over here to 15. And coming right down there, there it is. And coming back out, and just carefully look for your little fuse tool here. Compress it, as you see, and that will pull it out. There it is. We're going to come in, grab a hold of 1.5, position it all the way, and lock it in place, come down, and pinch it up. Alright, DLRC, a quick break in the action. And before we pull that fuse, I want to answer the question, what is that fuse? Or in other words, if we looked at the inner and underside of the cap that we just pulled off and went to that exact fuse, in our case with the 2018 Pacifica, that exact fuse is for our radio frequency hub as well as our video routing module. And by pulling that out, we are performing a hard reset procedure on both of those systems. Checking the overall condition of the electrical leads as well as the fuse itself. It's still good, it still works, but I'm going to clean those electrical leads. To an update, I cleaned the electrical leads, coming back in here, aligning it properly and inserting it. And I'm going to take the tool out, carefully reseat that into its position there until it's locked and clicks in place, coming back to the 15, pushing in and flush. From here, resecuring the cover carefully. Don't damage anything, that would not be good. From here, we'll close the hood and start the engine, and hopefully that resets our system. Inside the vehicle now, and I'm going to start the engine. And you can see 89,676 miles, so in the event that your instrument cluster is acting awry or sporadic during this mileage-wise frame, you're not the only ones. And I'm going to turn everything on and power all. Everything is currently on, that's good. I'm going to power it off. Everything is off, and I'm going to power it on. Alright, DLRs, as you just saw, that is the reset procedure to hopefully get your Bluetooth reset and back to operating normal, so all of your devices can repair with the Bluetooth on board the vehicle. And one more thing before we wrap the video up, if you are unable to repair or reconnect to the Bluetooth on your vehicle after performing this reset procedure, double check that you have the Bluetooth on your mobile device. And if it is, make sure you are sharing that Bluetooth pairing with everyone, not just your contacts, because your vehicle may not actually be paired in your contacts. So double check that. And if you are still not able to connect or pair, the next thing you will want to do is power off your device and allow that device to be fully off or shut down for about a minute. And after a minute, turn it back on and give it about a minute after turning back on to reboot. And from there, try pairing. And if it doesn't do it automatically, go to the bottom right portion of your screen. And if you look at our screen, bottom right corner, you can see the word phone and a circle with the phone icon inside it. Go ahead and click on that and run through the manual steps for connecting or pairing your phone or mobile device to the Bluetooth on board your vehicle. And DLRs, that's it. We hope this helps. And one last thing, down below in the comments and description will be a link to our Chrysler Pacifica playlist, and included in that playlist are a decent amount of troubleshooting videos as well as repair videos. Definitely check that out. You may find it helpful. Thanks again for watching.